Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. If your car is, when you're driving, the steering is like you turn and it's a little looseness in the steering, like it's not doing what you want it to do sometimes, it could be your control arm. And I was going to replace it, but I decided against it because I need a air compressor and air tools, and it's going to cost more to get all that than to actually, so I'm just going to take it to a mechanic to do it. But here is the new part I bought for $40 online, which goes for 150 plus in real life. Well, online's real life, but you know what I mean, in the store or whatever. So it was a good bargain. So it's $40. It's got the it's got the, I hate the stupid name where the thing inside here. This is a castle nut, and then this right here is just to cover it. Right, the boot, the what's that called? But that's the part that went bad on my car. So that's what the looseness I'm feeling. And I can show you here. But I don't think the axle, not axle, but it's down here. The ground's wet, so I'm not going to show you. But it's down there. And so anyway, yeah, the ground's wet, so it's not your lucky day to see the old control arm. But anyway, so as I was saying, I was trying to think of the word, which I probably have written down here. It's one of those stupid words. People, I don't know, guys, mechanics, they like to use the word. It's a stupid word. It's just a dumb word. I don't think it's even in the manual here, but it's I'll think of it here in a minute. I want to do this all in one take, so I'm gonna have to remember it. It's the rubber part. It's like a bearing. It's a let's see. The control arm comes with what's that called? An axle. It's a stupid word. I'll think of it. Okay, I just remembered it. It's bushing, control arm bushing. Oh, the bushing. But anyway, so it's called a bushing, and so it went bad. I think it's what it's called. Anyway, so you take bolts off. Take the part off, you put the new part on, put the new bolts on, and you torque them. You torque them to all. Some of them are 69 foot-pounds, 72 foot-pounds. The more important ones are like 101 foot-pounds, and another one is like 170 foot-pounds. So they're really tight, and I'm just going to take it to the Toyota dealership, and they'll charge me hundreds of dollars, but for labor. But anyway, who knows? Maybe it won't be that much. But I'm guessing $300-400, could be more. But because I have the part, I bought the part already, so I'll just have them use that part, and it could be something else. But I've seen it underneath. The grease is coming out, and it's open. So that's what. So when I drive, there's a little play. So if you have play in your steering wheel, a little looseness when you're going around turns or just driving on bumps and stuff like that, it's probably the control arm or something in the suspension that's going bad. It won't show up here because there's no sensors there. At least on this car, there's no sensor in the suspension. But so I'm sure there's some car out there that has sensors on the suspension. But anyway, so nothing's going to warn you visually, well, not electronically or whatever. It's just going to be a feel. You're going to feel the car drive different, move different. The steering wheel is not going to have the same reaction to your muscle, to your movement. It's not going to do exactly what you want it to do. So there's going to be looseness and play in the steering wheel. It's not going to be as tight. So that's what's going on. It's a control arm, and that's the issue. So if you have looseness in your steering, it's probably a control arm. So that's the video title. That's what it is. And have a great day. Also, this is a TV console. Picked that up at Wally World. And it took a while to put together, but it's glass panels. And it puts TV. There's like 3 different settings you can do. You can either have the TV mounted. It has a metal thing on the back. The back vertical post can go straight up, and then you mount that to the wall. Well, mount it to the metal vertical thing, so it's mounted. Or you can just put it on top of it. On top, there's a third way too. But so there's wires. I can get those wires to look nice and neat behind there. There's actually this thing back here. There's you can't see it, but there's a thing back there. It's the surge protector. But we gotta go get the oven alarm. But yeah, that's a TV stand, and good times. Good times. Okay, this is a video on this sectional couch. It's called a Navigation LAF sofa sectional and Navigation RAF bump. I guess this is the bumper right here. CHAI, chai, whatever that means. So let me get my jacket off here. And some soccer balls. I play soccer. We play indoor soccer. Anyway, so it's a nice couch. It's got a U-Haul and picked it up. This video is for it's a video, a couch. So there's the couch. It goes back, and then when I was carrying it in, I got got a little hole in it, but it'd be all right. It was $800. It was $7.99 and $840, $850 after tax and all that crap. Well, actually, I got the receipt here. It was $7.99.99, $56 sales tax. It's 7%, so $855.99. So $855.99. That's the corner, and it's just it's a comfortable couch. Oh, it's really comfortable. Okay, and it hooks down in there. There's like 2 metal things. Where this part, it's sectional, so that's one part, and then from here over is the second part. So that's the sectional couch, and I'm gonna get a coffee table there eventually. But it's really nice, and so that's that. That's the sectional couch. Have a great day.